Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Mercedes logo emblem which appears when you open the door. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for the media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 30,038 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.